Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great day today. Before you get started, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Okay? I'm back with Impact Mailing Club. Just wanted to show you real quick. I received these postcards, okay, with my package. Okay? So I went ahead and put my labels on these. As you can see, I wanted to cover this up because that's people information right there. But I went ahead and dropped some labels on these and some stamps. And I'm going to be mailing these out, see? Okay? So Impact Mailing Club has letters or flyers, if you will, you can mail. Or you can mail the postcards, okay? So that's what I have here. So if you're looking for a simple program, you don't want to have to really deal with the internet and any of those things that come with internet marketing, just simply mailing, you can do that with this program. Impact Mailing Club sells leads, guys, targeted leads. These are names and addresses and emails of people that's interested in making money from home. So all you're going to do is take the leads that come in your package, whichever one of these packages you come in at, and you put them on your postcards or you put them on your envelopes, and you just mail to these people, okay? And if they decide they want to join, they're going to send in the payment, okay? And you're going to be paid directly from the person that joins you. There's no middleman. The company is not paying you. You're going to get paid directly from the person that joins your team, okay? Mail straight to you. Okay, so we have 4 packages here. You can get started as low as $100, $250, $500, or $2,000. It's up to you. You can get paid anywhere from $65, $150, $300, or $1,000. Not to mention, there's a second tier on here as well. So it's 2 levels, and this is in the U.S. only, okay? But we're in the U.S., Canada, and Hawaii too, okay? And this is also in Spanish as well. So if you have a Spanish-speaking audience, you can also mail the Spanish version out. Okay? So you get an English and Spanish version. All right? So you can't get any simpler than just putting a stamp on an envelope or putting a stamp on a postcard and mailing these out. As you can see, I have a special label I put together. Okay? I'll show you this portion. That's my label. Okay, it has my number and some a website on there. And then I just put the label. I have that pin over that label hiding the person's address. And I put stamps on them. And I'm going to be mailing these postcards out. The holidays is right around the corner. People are excited. They want to make some extra money. The new year is upon us. And everybody is interested in making money. Who's not interested in making some extra income? And you can do that with this program, simply mail it. Okay? All right, guys. So with that being said, that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Join me in Impact Mailing Club. I'm also going to give you extra leads. Okay? Doesn't matter which package you come in at. Whatever the company mails you, I'm going to match it. Okay? And then I'm going to provide you with a custom cover letter. If you're interested in the cover letter, okay, I'll email that over to you. If you want to do online marketing, I have a sales funnel for you as well. I've been doing direct mail marketing since 2013, okay? So I am experienced in this niche. And not to mention, I am accessible. I do answer my phone. I do support my team. When you contact me, I get back with you and I answer any questions you may have. That's important. Trust me when I tell you, it's very important. So definitely partner with me in Impact Mailing Club. This is a perfect program for you, especially a newbie. Don't have to touch the internet at all, okay? I look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the inside of Impact Mailing Club.